Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Audi A6. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the ignition on and the radio active. We will then access the Multimedia Interface, or MMI, screen. From there, we will navigate through the main menu to locate the time and date settings. Finally, I will guide you through adjusting the hours and minutes using the central control knob. To begin, locate and press the Setup or Menu button on your Audi's MMI control panel. This action will bring up the main system menu on your display. Next, use the MMI control knob to scroll and select the Time/Date or Settings option. If presented with a time source option, choose Manual to allow for direct adjustments. Remember to keep your vehicle parked with the parking brake engaged throughout this process for safety. Once you are in the time adjustment screen, the hour display will typically be highlighted. Rotate the MMI control knob left or right to cycle through the hours until you reach the desired setting. After selecting the correct hour, press the control knob firmly to confirm your choice. The minutes display will then become highlighted, allowing you to rotate the knob again to adjust the minutes. Press the knob one final time to set the minutes and complete the time adjustment. After successfully setting both the hours and minutes, press the Return or Back button, usually located near the MMI control knob, to exit the Settings menu. Take a moment to verify that the new time is accurately displayed on your Audi's MMI screen. For future convenience, many Audi models can automatically synchronize time via GPS. You might explore this option in your settings. Always refer to your specific Audi A6 owner's manual for the most precise instructions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.